Introducing an Ayurvedic Vaginal Tightening Treatment, the tablet that's taking the market by storm. Made from natural herbs, this tablet aims to restore lost pelvic muscle tension and improve overall genital health. And the best part? It can be used in the privacy of your own home. The herbs used in this treatment have been used for centuries in Ayurvedic medicine and have been shown to improve vaginal health and enhance sexual pleasure. If you're looking for a safe and natural option to improve your genital wellness, give Ayurvedic Vaginal Tightening Treatment a try. Your body will thank you. And that's it for today's wellness topic. Remember to like and subscribe for more helpful health tips. Please visit our website www.virginu.co.in. Our mail ID is info@virginu.co.in. WhatsApp number is 7819063952. Please contact as WhatsApp number. Facebook page name is virgin.in. Instagram id virginu.co.in. Order now 7819063952.